Hello guys, it's Irfan. I wanted to do a little demonstration of something I got from one of my Craigslist friends. His name is Israel. He gave me two of these portable air conditioner fan. The brand name is AMEIKO, AMEIKO. AMEIKO portable air condition for home, office, bedroom. That's the model number, new, made in China. And this one, the box is complete except for the instructions. And the second one, the box was already open. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the demonstration with the one that came from the open box. Here's the unit. Comes with an AC adapter. The AC adapter is 100 to 240 volts input, and output is 24 volts DC. So it's good for the Philippines because it's dual voltage. So go ahead and plug it in. It's got an indicator light that shows that it's plugged into the outlet, and it plugs in at the back there. Hold on a minute. Everything is a problem. With that plugged in, a blinking power light comes on top. This is the control panel. That's power on off, and this button also regulates the 3 speeds of the fan: low, medium, and high. Here is a timer, 2-hour, 4-hour timer. This is a mist-in button. It's got a snowflake symbol on it, and that's for a light at the bottom here. So I'll go ahead and put it on. First press goes to the lowest speed. Power indicator is on. Second press, second speed. Third press, third speed. And if you press it again, it goes all the way back down. It cycles down to first speed. To power off, like most electronics, long press and it powers off. So power on at the first speed. This here is a 2-hour timer on the first, 4-hour timer on the second press. Third press, it's off. This here is for a mist-in, if you've got water in here. I don't have water in there as yet. And this is for the light. You can see it changes color there. But if you press it, you select whatever color you want. That's green, kind of a rose color, a green again, kind of maybe a blue, aqua, purple, like that. And the long press turns it off. So right now with the fan on the first speed, you're able to hear the noise level. Second speed, noise level goes up a bit. Third speed is a really high whine. Put it back to first. Now what I wanted to do is I've got a thermometer here. The room temperature is about 68 degrees, and this is Fahrenheit. That's our standard over here, Fahrenheit. We don't deal with Celsius or centigrade here in the United States. So it's about 60 degrees room temperature. I wanted to see if the temperature drops any amount with the fan. So let's see if anything goes down. It actually did go down at 2 degrees. And what I'll do next is I'll put those, I've got these things here. I'll put them in the freezer. They're a bit chilled. So I'll put them at the bottom in the compartment and see if it makes a difference to the temperature. Let me pause it here and put the, well, actually, let me show you how it's done. There is, I'm going to power it off. There is a little door at the back of the unit that you could open and pour in chilled water or crushed little pieces of crushed ice here. Close it back. Or you could also open up the bottom by this here. Let me see if I can do this one-handed. Press that in. Give me a minute. Yeah. Press it in and it opens up. It swivels like that. And this is the compartment at the bottom here that you put in your, that the crushed ice or the chilled water would go in. So I'm going to load it up with these little kind of, not ice cubes because cubes are a different shape. This is ice round. They're starting to melt now because they've been outside for a while. So what was I gonna do? Oh, power it on. And I'll put it on the high speed. Now let's see. Right now, thermometer says 62, 64, about 65 degrees. So I'll stick it in. I'm going to stick it in here and see if it goes down any. Keep an eye on that. Ooh. Didn't intend for that to happen. Give me a minute there. Let's see if that drops. Actually, it did go down closer to 60. It did drop a few degrees. Well, not much, but maybe that's because the needle of the thermometer is all the way inside, close to the chilled ice. Anyhow, I just wanted to give a demonstration of this unit here. Let's take it out and see if the temperature stays at 60 or if it goes up. And even though this is a analog thermometer, it's very accurate, just like a digital thermometer. So it's about 60 degrees still with the fan on the high speed. It's not really too much of a breeze coming out here. Anyhow, that's what I wanted to show you. This unit, portable air conditioner fan. I think it's not being made and sold anymore. It's pretty old. Long press, power off. I wonder if that works. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Just a small unit, good enough for a desk right in front of your face. You won't be able to cool down a whole room with this. Okay, so much for that. Thank you very much. Goodbye and have a great day.